So today we will start the fourth question of our exercise 7.2. Now see the fourth question. ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF, two sides AC and AB are equal. Show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. See, these two altitudes are given, okay, and these two altitudes are equal, okay, and we have to prove that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF, and AB is equals to AC, that is this AB is equals to AC. This also we have to prove. Now first of all we will write what is given to us, then we will write to prove, okay. After that we will start our proof. So we have to prove these two triangles congruent, so we will take these two triangles only. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF, one triangle is in pink and other triangle is in green, okay. So first of all BE is equals to CF. This BE will be equals to CF. This is given to us. It is given that both the altitudes are equal, so we will write here given. Then this angle is common in both the triangles, so we can say that angle BAE is equals to angle CAF. This is a common angle, okay. And one more thing, since this is an altitude, so this will make a 90-degree angle, so we can write angle BEA. Angle BEA of pink triangle is equal to angle CFA. Angle CFA of green triangle, and these two angles are 90 degrees, so our region will be each 90 degree. Now we can see that angle and side, two angle and one side is there, so angle side, that is AAS congruency rule, both the triangles will be congruent, so we can write triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Now this is the first part of our proof. Now what else we need? We have to prove AB is equals to AC. Now AB belong to pink triangle and AC belong to green triangle. So by CPCT, these both sides will also be equal because these two triangles are congruent. So AB equals to AC by CPCT. And if these two sides are equal, that means ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is the solution of fourth question. Now see the fifth question. ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. Show that angle ABD equals to angle ACD. See, these two triangles are there. Both the triangles are isosceles triangle. In first triangle these two sides are equal, and in second triangle these two sides are equal. We have to prove that this angle is equals to this angle. So first we will write what is given to us. What is given to us? AB is equals to AC and BD is equals to CD. This is given to us. Now next we will write to prove. What we have to prove? This angle ABD is equals to angle ACD. This we have to prove. So let's see the proof. In triangle ABC, first in this triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC. This is given to us. Now we know that angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So angle opposite to this side is this angle and angle opposite to this side is this angle. So these two angles will be equal. So we can write angle ABC is equals to angle ACB. The reason for this is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now in triangle DBC, this lower triangle, again BD is equals to CD. This is given to us. Now the angles opposite to these sides will also be equal. The angle opposite to this side is this, and angle opposite to this side is this. So we can write angle DBC is equals to angle DCB. Reason is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now we will name this equation as equation number 2. Now we got two equations 1 and 2. So add the two equations. Adding equation 1 and 2. In first one angle ABC, in second one plus angle DBC. First we will add both the LHS, then we will add both the RHS. So ABC plus DBC, this we have written, then is equals to add RHS, angle ACB plus angle DCB. Now angle ABC plus DBC, this is angle ABC and this is angle DBC. When we will add these both angles, this full angle will be formed. That means it will be equal to angle ABD. Now we got LHS, and in RHS angle ACB plus angle DCB. This is angle ACB and this is angle DCB. When we will add these two angles, this full angle will be formed, which is equals to angle ACD. So this is only what we have to prove. So at last we can write hence proved. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and stay connected with A1 study classes.